If you don't know how to install your hair, this video is for you. Carry sit down for the front seat. Ungwanu, you understand me? Now we'll begin to install this 5x6 wig coming from Angie's Hair. First of all, I'll begin to apply powder on my bath cap. Now the thing don't run to my skin for front. Ungwanu, this is the reason you need your tintless or your powder. Ungwanu, this is a 5x6 wig. You can see now year to year. So how do you do it? We are going to measure like this. Yeah, you measure like this. So now year to year, now we go gum. We'll be using the Cha-Cha lace glue. Come and get yours. Come and get yours. It's 20 euros to install your hair. Beginners friendly to install your hair. See, you just apply here one by one. So this is a 5x6. It's not going to go round. Then apply here. So like this. Spread like this. Because as it is white, you don't need to use them. Okay, it has to be transparent before you install. Okay, come and get your glue. It's available. And I will apply again. This glue, make sure you shake very well before you use. You can see that it's not transparent. What do you do? Carry your wig, drag it. So to install, make sure say it pass where your glue dey a bit. Okay, just relax your head. You install the center here. Take your ratchet comb, press on down. Don't forget the thing pass where glue dey. Or carry your glue. Begin apply. You spread it. Make sure you spread. Then you bring down the hair. Up. Can you see that? 5x6 frontal, you dey see am. So now year to year. Ungwanu, he meant the lace with this adhesive spray. Please, it's available. Come and get yours. So you just put them for the edges. So I'm go really melt the lace down to your skin. Ungwanu, if I make it dry small, make it dry before you use your melty band. Come and get your hair product. Come and get my glue. Ungwanu, begin to take off the band. Yeah, can you see that lace? This is a center part and your C part have to be like this. So you do your C part like this. Yeah, you do like this and then you curve it to this place. Yeah, so it's going to cover here already. Flat. Already, my hair is from Angie's Hair. I will spray my holding spray. It's also available for sales. Then my heat protectors. So everything you need for your wig installation, your wig maintenance are all available with Cha-Cha. Ngwanu, check out the final look. Rate it. This is a 5x6 frontal and my hair is from Angie's Hair. Ngwanu, Cha-Cha lace glue, easy to use. Come and get yours. You will thank me later. Like you go just they appreciate me. They go like, Cha-Cha, thank you, thank you. It is a beginner friendly, like easily stick your wig to your head. Ngwanu, so check out this style. I'm loving it. Check it out. Check it out. So I hope you learned something on how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. All products you need to install your hair, to maintain your hair, are all available with Cha-Cha Beauty World. I do revamping, I do wig installation, I do makeup. So anyone you are looking for, the number you are seeing on the screen, add me on WhatsApp, chat me up, order for your product, bring your wig for revamping, or you can as well come for wig installation or makeup. Of course, you want to shine, and that's on period. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.